Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to configure shipping zones in WooCommerce 2026. So what is a shipping zone? A shipping zone is a geographic area like country, state, city or postcode where you apply specific shipping methods and prices. So for example, Morocco, that's a flat rate. Europe, calculated shipping. Local city, free pickup, etc. Okay, so the first step is open the shipping settings. Okay, so you all need to go to the WordPress dashboard, as you can see, and then just go and hover on WooCommerce on the left hand menu, and you will be able to see such an pop-up menu. Okay, so you all need just go and click on the settings inside it. After that, just go ahead and click on shipping option, and then go and click on add zone or click on add shipping zone. Okay, so click on that option, and after that just enter the zone name, for example USA, and on the zone and region or zone regions go ahead and put a specific one, so you can let everywhere, or you can enter some specific countries. Okay, so you can type right here country, state or postcode. Okay, and for example we'll go with Asia, and then just go and click on add shipping method. So right now you will need to choose one or more methods. Okay, so actually you can go with flat rate, and that means fixed cost, and you can add multiple flat rates per zone. You can go also with free shipping, so that requires some conditions like minimum order amount, coupon required, or both. So for example, we'll go with free shipping, then we'll click on continue. Then just go and click on the free shipping requires option and choose one option of these ones: a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount, or coupon, a minimum order amount, and coupon. So for example, we'll choose that one, and you all need to set the minimum order amount. So for example, we'll go with $10, then go with apply minimum order rule before coupon discount, and click on create. So actually guys, we created it, as you can see it's right here, and you can add shipping method whenever you want. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.